Realme launched its new 5G-enabled smartphone under P-series in India called Realme P4r with a unique AI pulse light feature. Now, let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme P4r 5G features a tall 6.8-inch HD Plus display with up to 144 Hz refresh rate and up to 1200 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, this smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is expandable up to 2 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Realme P4r 5G sports a 50-megapixel main camera on the rear with f1.8 aperture, and for selfies it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 8,000 mAh battery with 45-watt SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 based on Realme UI 7 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP65 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to maintain phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 166.4 by 78.2 by 8.8 millimeters, and it weighs around 224 grams. So now, let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme P4r 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 18,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 20,999 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 6GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 22,999 Indian rupees. This smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from June 17th in lavender glare, titanium glare, and silver glare color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme P4r 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.